Are you tired of hearing that you need millions of subscribers to make money on YouTube? Well, we have good news for you. In this video, we're going to reveal the top 5 ways you can make money on YouTube without a million subscribers. Get ready to take your YouTube game to the next level. Now, before we dive into the strategies, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon for future videos. Alright, let's get started with the first method. Method number 1, affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you can earn a commission by promoting products or services in your videos. Method number 2, sponsored content. Brands are willing to pay you to feature their products or services in your videos. Method number 3, merchandise sales. Creating and selling your own merchandise is a great way to make money on YouTube. Method number 4, crowdfunding. Platforms like Patreon allow your viewers to support you by making regular donations. Method number 5, YouTube ad revenue. Even without millions of subscribers, you can still make money through ad revenue. That's it. The top 5 ways you can make money on YouTube without a million subscribers. If you found this information valuable, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to click the link in the description for more detailed information on how to get started. Disclaimer: earnings and success on YouTube may vary and depend on various factors. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more informative tips on this channel.